He's trying to run over the police officer right now. This guy is not playing. Oh my God.
When a strange man breaks into a construction site to steal a front loader, it seems like a straightforward theft, but no one realizes that it is only the beginning of a violent rampage that will soon put the responding officers directly in his path.
Hey, stop! Stop now! Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh.
The horror for Henderson police officers begins around 9 a.m. on Sunday, January 4th, 2026, when this man jumps the fence of a construction site on Water Street in Nevada to steal a 39,000-pound front loader. As an employee monitoring the site surveillance cameras from another location calls 911 to report the theft in progress, none of them realize that this is only the beginning of the destruction he is about to leave behind.
I need police immediately over one of our construction sites.
Is it just a construction site?
It is a construction site, yes.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
We just had somebody hop the fence, and it looks like he's hot wiring one of the bulldozers right now.
Do you have video of this?
I'm watching him live right now.
You're on scene or video?
Over video, and we have a guard on site, and I did dispatch them.
The suspect, white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Looks either white or Hispanic.
Can you tell how old he might be?
Maybe late 20s, 30s.
And what color shirt and pants is he wearing?
He has a tan beanie, a tan jacket, looks like gray or black pants, and white shoes. Yeah, looks like he's messing around with it right now because the bulldozer's right in front of our camera unit.
Where's security?
They're supposed to be on site. I called them right away. I'm currently
The suspect is 33-year-old Juan Rincon Carreno, and while the senior operator tells dispatch he is trying to reach the security guard on site, he has no idea that the guard has already had a violent encounter with Juan.
Before we finish this video, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Romy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Roma, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth. Title of this video is Man Chases Cop with 40,000-pound Vehicle. So before we jump back in, y'all remember, keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep your vibes high, and keep thriving and surviving out there, y'all.
Later, while still on call with dispatch, he learns what happened before he called 911, leaving him deeply concerned for the safety of everyone still at the construction site.
See any weapons?
No, I just saw him with the blue towel, and it looks like a shoebox or like a brown box full of tools, possibly.
Okay, your security's on scene with us. It looks like that guy threatened to kill her.
Oh, you threatened to kill her?
Yeah, we might be on the phone with her.
As Juan continues hot wiring the front loader, dispatch gets the security guard on the phone, who recounts the terrifying events that unfolded before he jumped the fence. But what neither the guard nor dispatch realizes is that this is only scratching the surface of what Juan is about to do.
Henderson 911, what is the address of your emergency?
So I have a guy trying to steal a bulldozer. He's just threatening to kill me. I'm at a security at one of the properties. I tried getting him off the property, but he was threatening to kill me. And he has a weapon on him as well, and he's a Mexican guy. He did have a screwdriver pointed at me, and he did say that he was going to shoot me, so I don't know if he has a gun on him. So I definitely would be advised on that, too. And I'm not armed, so.
No. That's no need to that. We got like 4 officers en route.
He's real aggressive, actually super aggressive.
Given how quickly the situation has escalated, officers are already en route to the scene, hoping to stop Juan before he can get the front loader running. But the weapon he will ultimately use against them is something none of them could have imagined.
And he's still trying to take off with it, but it's not moving, so.
They're not too far away right now.
Oh, he got it started. He finally got it started. And which means he's probably going to back up and take off with it right now. Yep. He's got it, and he looks like he's probably going to ram the fence with it. Well, yes, he's ramming the fence with it. He's going over the fence, and he took off with it right now. So, which means that they will have to go behind it because he's driving right behind the house. It finally stopped. He just went over the fence. Yep. My morning. I see one of the cops just pull up right now, and yep, he got there. It looks like he's about to run over the police car. Oh my God, my morning.
Wow.
The first officer arrives just in time to try to stop Juan before he can cause any more damage, but it is already too late. Even with her firearm drawn, Juan is determined to keep going, destroying almost everything in his path.
Copy, I see.
All right, so at that point, this bulldozer is a a weapon. So does the cop shoot at him? Because how do you, I mean, saying, what do you do if you know they have a weapon? If they report it to have a weapon, whether it's a gun or a screwdriver, the cop can't just run and jump up in the bulldozer. So now he has to shoot. I would assume shoot. I don't even know if you can shoot bulldozer tires out. There's some big ass tires. So do you shoot at the suspect to stop him? What do you do?
And he's taking off. He's coming towards me now. Hey!
Man, you better get out the way. Yeah, he's smart.
He's coming right at my patrol vehicle. Hey! Stop! Stop now! He's coming at me. Stop!
Chasing him. Dang.
Stop fire!
Wow.
He's still moving. He's going to the pole car. Stop right there! Stop!
You're not hitting?
Shots fired.
Get on the ground! Stop! Do not move!
Hold on, man. How do you not hit him? It don't. If he can stop and put his hands up, what was you shooting at? Did you just shooting at the bulldozer itself just to scare him? Was you shooting at the tires, or was you shooting at him?
Innocent police! Do not move! Do not move! Get cover here.
We're code 4. We got one at gunpoint. He's got his hands in the air. Hey! Can you hear us? Hey! Can you hear us? Okay. He's moving. Okay. We shot. I'm pretty sure he's hit.
In an attempt to threaten the officer and escape, Juan first tries to run her over, then uses the front loader to crush her patrol vehicle before dragging it forward and ramming the sergeant's squad. As Juan finally comes to a stop after officers fire multiple rounds, the construction site's security guard reports the violent rampage to dispatch, watching in horror as she describes what Juan has just attempted.
Yep, he's about to go. Yep, there you go. There you go. He's trying to run over the police officer right now. This guy is not playing. All right. Oh my God. Yep.
Was that shot fired?
To kill him. Yep. The cop's trying to take him out. The guy's trying to roll over the cop in the police car, and he just destroyed the police car.
He destroyed the police car?
He destroyed the police car.
Damn.
The cop is still shooting. Oh my God. What in the world? That is crazy. They got him. Passed away. I think they got him. All right. I'm going to have to call my boss and wow.
All right.
All right.
Stop. All right.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
Officers have now witnessed firsthand the level of violence Juan is capable of, and even as he remains inside the front loader, they know the situation can change at any moment. And while it may appear that Juan is stopped, there is no indication that he is willing to surrender.
Hey! Can you hear us? Hey! Can you hear us?
So we're probably going to have to... Hey, keep your hands up!
We can have him try to crawl out.
Hey, start crawling out toward us!
Let me go. Let me go hands. I did.
Okay, I will be hands. I will be hands.
How do they know they hit him?
Lethal. See if you're going to stay lethal. Do we have a 40? Let's get a 40 up. Listen to me very carefully. You're going to keep your hands right there. Do not move the bulldozer or you will be shot again. Do you understand?
Who shot?
I shot.
Okay, I shot.
I shot and Jacob shot.
Okay, I will be hands. You're going to stay lethal. Do we have a 40?
Yeah, let me get a 40.
Hey, keep your hands where we can see them. Get out of the bulldozer slowly. I can't hear you. Climb out of the bulldozer slowly.
Hey, don't keep your hands! Let me see your hands! Do not put your hands down!
Hey.
We still have one at gunpoint. We're giving them commands.
You're lethal. You're 40. Yep. I'm going to give him verbal commands. Sarge, your backup hands on if I need.
Yeah, I'm going to get gloves on.
Megan, just sit in the back there. Stay on lethal, Megan. All right, listen, sir. You're going to slowly climb out of the bulldozer, go down those steps, and get down on your knees.
You understand? Let's go.
Hey, keep your hands where we can see them. Get out of the bulldozer slowly. I can't hear you. Climb out of the bulldozer slowly.
Alviso, give him Spanish ones. Can you get a good shot on the 40 from there? Yeah, come over here. Louder, Alviso. What's he saying? Hey! Hey! Exit! Hey, you need to come this way to us. What's he saying?
Get out of the bulldozer slowly.
What's he saying? Come here! Yeah, I think we're going to have I want someone on that side in case he goes mobile again. And we're just going to go up there and we're going to hands up. But someone stay lethal. Jacobs, can you get lethal?
Listen to me. If we're going to climb up, I don't want lethal behind me though.
Just communicate with us.
Juan's family would later tell police that he had been battling severe mental health issues for nearly a decade. About 5 years earlier, he had attempted to set himself on fire at Boulder Station, an incident that resulted in his arrest. He had also worked at a construction site for 6 months before being fired, after which he had enrolled in barber school. However, he was later removed from the program following an unknown incident and afterward stopped taking his prescribed medication. Despite the continued support of his family in moving into his sister's home, Juan continued to experience episodes. Eventually, he left the house on foot without his cell phone or identification, and although he had no known connection to the construction site where the incident occurred, his family believed he may have ended up in the area because he was attempting to walk to Arizona. For now, the rounds fired by officers have only injured Juan, but they do nothing to stop him as he continues to ignore every command. Officers are soon forced to take an extreme measure, one that will leave more people injured.
Take your hand out of your jacket.
We're still giving commands.
First of all, I don't understand why family member, if they know they got family members like that, don't put them in a place where they be controlled or communicated or make them take their drugs or pills, prescriptions, whatever you want to call it, or figure out if it's the prescriptions that's making them act crazy. We said this before. We know on those commercials when they say if you experience psychotic episodes, if you kill yourself, if you got high blood pressure, itchy booty hole, toenail fungus, call us. That's what they that's what they say. There's some side effects now. Maybe it's a side effect of the pills.
He's inside the bulldozer. Bulldozer's not moving. His hands are up. He's refusing to come out.
Hey, give me some over here.
Hey, give me, hey, Okami, come here. Never mind, we got there. So his hands are up. He's just refusing to come out, so we're eventually going to go up there. We don't know about any weapons.
Do you want us on this side? Then we got cross.
Yeah, can you be hands-on? Yeah. Here, I got Okami going with you.
It looks immobile, but he was coming out right on me.
You're going to get shot again if you put your hands down.
If he comes out this way, we'll grab him too.
We're moving up. Do not reach for anything.
Watch yourself.
Help Brown when he comes down.
I got hands on when he comes down.
Hey,
that's a long way to fall.
Hey, 40 up. 40 is at.
Brown, watch out, Brown.
40 is at.
Lethal down.
Hit him.
40 deployed. Let's go. 40 was
40,
deployed. He's cooperative, but we're going to get him out. There you go. He needs to come.
Right, well, you gonna fall up that thing. Punch him in the head, stuff bad, what? You get bulldozed in the bulldozer. Oh, look. You see?
Hey, watch out!
That had to been a 10-foot fall right there.
Move out of there. Get out of here.
Exaggerating, but still, that was a drop.
Hey, expedite medical to start.
Stand over there. Relax. Get him. Sit him on that power box.
What do I got?
You got a little bit of a cut right here.
All right, that it?
Yeah. It's okay. You're not even bleeding.
As Juan continued to ignore their commands, officers eventually climbed onto the front loader in an effort to force him to comply. The attempt ended with 2 officers falling from the machine along with Juan, leaving all of them injured. During the incident, Juan sustained gunshot wounds to his left arm and lower leg, along with a piece of metal lodged on the right side of his head. He was treated for his injuries and made a full recovery. The subsequent investigation into the officer-involved shooting concluded that the officers had acted in self-defense, and no action action was taken against them. Ultimately, Juan Rincon Carreno was charged with felony attempted murder with use of a deadly weapon ×2, resisting a public officer with a deadly weapon, not a firearm, grand larceny of a motor vehicle, destroying property of another over $1,200, and misdemeanor destroying, injuring real or personal property of another. According to Henderson Justice Court records, Juan was denied bail. Given the severity of the attempted murder charges involving law enforcement and the significant public safety threat posed during the incident, the court ordered that he remain in continuous pretrial custody at the Henderson Detention Center. If convicted on all counts, Juan Rincon Carreno could face a maximum sentence of more than 50 years to life in a Nevada state prison. Want to step up your style? Check out.
Wow, Juan Rincon Carrero. Juan, Juan got a Miami drug dealer name, drug lord name, Juan Rincon Coronas. Drink a lot of Coronas. He take pills, he drink Coronas. Rincon. Hey man, this just family. You can't even blame it on family. You can't say family has to do better. The person who is taking those pills needs to be able to communicate instead of just listening to their doctor. They need to tell their doctor, hey, I'm taking this stuff and it's making me go crazy. You know what I'm saying? They might say that, and then, depending on who's listening, the doctor might just think he's nonchalant, or he's just talking outside or he's just exaggerating. You know, some people say, man, this is crazy, man. This stuff making me go crazy, but you just venting. So maybe the doctor was just, if he was ever to communicate it, maybe the doctor was like, hey, man, hey, you be all right. Just keep taking the pills. You know what I mean? Or family or somebody, because if he wasn't dealing with it, say, for the last 5 years, it has to be something that triggered it. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's put 2 to 2 together and let's figure it out. Don't just say he was cool and then now all of a sudden 5 years later, after taking these prescriptions, he's crazy and we can't do nothing about it. We don't know how to control him. You know what I mean? It's crazy. You got to be careful what you put in your body, y'all. You can't always trust what these doctors say all the time. All right. So remember to call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Thankfully, out of this video, everybody came out okay. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep your vibes high. Still on the hunt to 2,000 subs. So continue to spread the word, and I'll catch you on the next one. Be easy.